गाइस, वेलकम टू JavaisAwesome एंड इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे कंपैरेटर इंटरफेस इन जावा के बारे में। सो कंपैरेटर बेसिकली हम लोग यूज करते हैं किसी भी कलेक्शन ऑब्जेक्ट को सॉर्ट करने के लिए। ओके, सो हमारे पास जो भी कलेक्शंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं उसको सॉर्ट करने के लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं कंपैरेटर इंटरफेस। और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है जब भी हमें टू फील्ड के ऊपर सॉर्टिंग करना हो, या मे बी हमें लगता है कि मुझे जो सॉर्ट करना है वो बेसिकली लाइक मल्टीपल फील्ड, लाइक एक कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है उसमें मल्टीपल फील्ड के ऊपर अगर मुझे सॉर्टिंग अप्लाई करना है तो डेफिनेटली इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंपैरेटर। कंपैरेबल हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया इसके बारे में, तो हम लोग इसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ बात करेंगे कंपैरेटर का। सो दिस इंटरफेस इज फाउंड इन लेट मी ओपन माई लेजर लाइट। So this interface is found in the java.util package and contains two methods. One is compare and other one is object and equals object element. It's provide a multiple sorting sequence, that is you can sort the element on the basis of data member, or for example roll numbers, name, age or anything else. Through that you can sort your object. Collections. So collections classes provide something method called sort, and we can pass our list of the sorted like list of the array list or collections or linked list vector we can pass here, and also along with that we have to pass our comparator classes. It is used to sort the element of the list by the given comparator. Okay, I hope it's clear. And collection.sort we can apply and we can pass name comparators, and through that we can sort our particular what we call object. Okay, here if you go you can see the example, like example of the comparator. So in the comparator having a one method called compare, and through the compare method we can pass two argument, which is record1, record2, and through that we can apply the some compare to method inside this, and through that we can get the result of the student number sorting, report key sorting or school name sorting. Okay, I hope you understood, and it's very useful sorting also. Okay, so let me go to the Eclipse and try to create one package with classes. So I will create one class and I will get the package called comparator sort. Okay, so this is called a comparator, and here I will give the name called song. So for example I have some multiple song and I want to sort those song. So let me create those song class first, and this song class I will give something called private in the song ID. Okay, and private I will give the string song name, and I will give here private string song writer. So just give the name called name or writer. Okay, a writer, and private, and what is the release date for that, and also we can give like some other things like yeah, date you can give. So release date of the song release, which is also type of the string, just take. Okay, and otherwise you can take the date also. So let me take the date, and here you can write date. Import it, date class java.sql. No, we have to import the util date. Okay, and here you can create a getter setter, whatever you want. So let me generate the quick getter setter. Okay, generated getter setter. Let me generate toString method also to go to the sort and generate toString method also. toString also generated. Let me go to the after date and generate the toString methods. After that we can generate constructor using field, and without field also we have to generate. So let's go here, constructors, deselector, and generate one default constructors. Okay, done. So as of now whatever we have done, we have created one song classes, and we have given the some variables field name, we can say ID, name, writers, and date. Okay, and singer, not writer, singer name. And let me create. Okay, so this is I have to write one replace. So find the writer. In place of writer I have to replace with singer. So select all, Yeah, replace all. I will close it. So whenever I have written the writer, it will display the singer. Now save it. So this is the singer. You can go down, see, you can singer. Okay, set name, set name, get singers. Okay, fine, set singer, get singers. Okay, fine, it's updated. Let me create one more class called test singer. So we can create a class called test singer. So test song. So here we can create one main methods, and we can create a multiple song also. So first we have to create a list, and inside the list I want to song song. So this is the song class, and here I will give like songs list. Yeah, I will write here songs, yeah, song list equal to new array list. You can take ARRAY. Okay, array list, and now you can import all those things. So it's imported, and now what I can do is I can add some songs. So for that we have to create object of the song. So song s equal to new song, and in the song parameters I have to pass the ID. So 101, and song name I can write. So I don't know song name, but tum mere dil mein rahte ho. Okay, this is a song name, and I will keep the name called Kumar Sanu. So this is the name of the singer, and now I will write new date. Okay, so new date we can give here. So let me remove all those things, and here I will give the new date. New date object I will pass, and import it java.util.date. So we have created one singer object. Let me copy this down also. So control alt down arrow. Okay, so through that we can create a 3 object of the song. I will give the different ID, which is 2 and which is 3, so that it will look different. Tum dil mein rahte ho, this is the one song, and aao na rahe yahi. Okay, then you can take one more song called जाने दो मुझे. So this is something song, and this is written by Kumar Sanu, and this is written by something called I will give the name called Arjit Singh. So ARJIT, Arjit Singh, and this one song is written by something called some singer name I am searching. So singer name is called Lata Mangeshwar. Okay, this is the name I have given. Okay, and I will give the different object names. So S1 I will give in here, S2 and S3. This is the 3 songs. Okay, those songs I will add in our song list. How can I add it? So we have a simple way to add: collections dot add all. Okay, add all, and here I will pass our song list. So song list, and here I will pass whatever the song I have. So S1, S2, S3. This is the 3 songs I have. So I have added those songs inside this. Our song is ready. Can I print our song? Yes, let's try. Print our song. So if I want to print our song, I will write one for loop, and without for loop also can do with the for each loop. So I have to use the for each loop. How can I use the for each loop? So song list dot for each loop. Okay, and here I will pass system. Okay, SYSTEM, system. So here you can write like that, E some hyphens, and you can write system dot out dot println. Okay, and here I will pass e dot to string. Okay, so this is something song, so you can, it's a song, so give the proper name called s, and this is the s is nothing but song, and we have printed one by one. So within one line of the code we can print our all song. So this is the lambda expression features, but I'm discussing here, later we can discuss. Otherwise you can use the for loop and you can use it. Okay, so let me print, let me run. Okay, and this song is coming from that place. Okay, so this is the song, but all the songs are the printing in the one line only, so that is not good. That is not good. That is not good. So I have to write here println. Okay, and now let me run. So you can see into the multiple line of our song is displaying. So as of now we have created 3 songs. So this is the song numbers 101, Tum Mere Dil Mein Aao Na. These are the song name. Okay, singer is Kumar Sanu, Arjit Singh, and Lata Mangeshkar. We have given the song, and this is the timing. So I have not given the different timing of the release. All are the same timing only. Okay, because same timing object will be created. So I am giving the current time only. Okay, so this is the songs we can see. Okay, now we have to apply the sorting on this song based on the singer's song name, based on the song name. So right now if I write, and I want to do it with the comparator. Okay, with the comparator. So write a logic, write logic to sort the song based on song name. Okay, so how can I write it? So we have in the collections we have one method called collections.sort, and if I pass here our what we call song list, okay, it will not work, because make sure this collections sort will be stored some data which is the song type. So song may be the comparator or comparable, then only it will work. So now we are going to do work with the comparator. So let's write here comparable and implement this song with the comparator. So I will write implements comparator, java.dt.comparator, and here I will pass song. Okay, done. It will give one method, not one method, 2 methods. Okay, let's see what are the methods given. So he given one method called compare. One method is nothing but compare. Let me save. So once you save, your error will remove from this classes. Okay, still no. Okay, we can pass the comparator here. So this is the list, and now we can pass the new object, new song, SONG, new song object you can pass. So our problem is resolved, because this song is indirectly implemented the comparator interface. Comparator. Okay, if you see here, there is no equals method inside this, no equals method. Only we have to implement one method called compare. And just before we have discussed, what we have discussed, we have to write a logic here, then only it will do the sorting. So as of now I have just implemented the method. There is no logic like compare, and I have used the comparator and I have implemented in the song. So song is indirectly become the comparator. So we can pass here one more parameter called new object with the comparator. Okay, and now again write this logic to print your collections. Okay, so this is the logic for sort, and this is logic for printing. Okay, let me try once and try to run it. It's doing sort or not, we can see. So if I run this code, it's printing 2 times, but you have to give the differences between them. So after sorting, I will write sout/n after sorting. Okay, and let me run once again. So you can see here after sorting. Okay, So after sorting also it's the same only, because there is no logic we have written for the comparator, which is compare method. So what we can write here, we can write one method called o1 song dot compare, compare to compare So this is something like o1, and this is the sum type only, and equals methods. So what we can do, so as of now, before we have seen some logic here, like whatever the records we have, so record 1 dot get record type compare with the record 2 dot get record type. So what we can do is, here we can write o1 dot, we have to do the based on the name, so we can write get song name. So this is the song name dot compare to, we can apply, and after compare to, I will write a compare ignore case, okay, and then after here I will write object 2, so o2 dot get name. Okay, if I apply this method, it will sort our object based on the what name, based on the name. So it came like a आओ ना रहे यहीं. So this is the song number A, it started with the A. If you see, this is the started with J, and then after it started with the tum. But previously if you see, tum is first, आओ is second, and जाने दो मुझे it's a third. So it will do the sorting. Now we have to do the sorting. Based on two parameters. So based on the two parameters, if you want to do, you have to write a logic for that. What is the logic? So you have to write int c or something like 0 you can store. Okay, and after that those conditions. Okay, let me see once code. So here int c and c equal to, we have written something and we are checking it. So same thing also you can write this logic in this line. Okay, and once it is done, you can check if c equal to 0, return what? So return one more record we are saying, it's not return directly. Okay, and this is the student number, and this is the get schools. Okay, so report key numbers. So based on the three parameters, basically we have done the sorting, but we are going to do in the two parameters only. So if it is 0, we can write c equal to, now I will do with the help of the singer. So singer name. So here I will copy same thing code, and I will write here what we call o1 dot get singer. Okay, dot compare to ignore case I will write, and here I will write o2 dot get singer. Okay, so this is the method we can apply, and this is the based on the two we have done as of now. And finally, if it is done, we can return C. Okay, so if you see, we have finally written the C. So this is the logic we have applied, and let me run this code. So if I run this code now, we have to go to the song test, and then after you have to run only, give me here also /n for the next line, and then after you can run it. So if you see here properly, it's a song name like 101, 102, 103, but after sorting 102, 103, 101 it came आओ ना रहे यहीं जाने दो तुम्हें तुम मेरे दिल में. Okay, so based on that it's doing the sorting, and also A, L and K it's doing. So first priority is this one, then second priority is this one it's giving, and based on that it's doing the sorting. So I hope you understood, and we can do the sorting into the multiple, not one, multiple field based sorting with the help of the comparator, and also it will show you. Okay, and one more things we can do in the comparator, you can override one method called equals method. Okay, so publics equals method, EQUALs, equals methods we can override here, and this is the one object, and we can return it also. Okay, so this is something like object 1, So this dot equals of the object we can write, and we can also do and override it, and we can run it. Okay, so we can do the sorting on the based on the multiple parameters with the help of the comparator, and you can see here. Okay, this is the result in front of you. I hope guys you can understood, okay, what is the comparator. Also in the next video we can discuss something like map, and we can complete it as soon as possible. Okay, so comparator and comparable, what are the difference between them? You can go and search on the Google and try to understand. As of now, whatever I explained, try to understand only. Okay, so this is the theoretical part also, it's completed, and practical parts also for the comparator and comparable. Now we can see the what is the use of the map and how we can use it. Okay, thank you so much.